So let's check this little hidden gem. But is it a hidden gem or a hidden gram? As in hidden gem or hidden ramblin'. La Casita Cafe and Tapas. Yeah, shall we go in? Only one way to find out. Let's go in, take a little look. And in walls, and I fancy tapas. So here we go. Here we go. Nothing. Can I sit down and get some food? Oh, nice one. Nice one. Oh, it's there. Ah, I nearly died. So yeah, this is really cute. In here, where shall I sit? Ooh, lunch specials. Oh, I like the pictures. There's the Spanish ladies dancing. Nice one, thank you. Not yet. I'll have to think about it. Thank you. She said, do you know what you like to do? But I kind of do. I want Spanish hot chocolate, and I bet I ordered 3 pizza menu. La Casita, fancy Spanish small plate. Nice one. That's what I'm craving. So that's the menu. Rolls. All the bunches. But if they had Spanish hot chocolate, I'd be so happy. And churros. But I'm going to peep the menu and then see what I order. Potatoes with tomato and like paprika and stuff, and like white berries, and I think that's like garlic, and then a bit of salad and lemon, which I'm really looking forward to. I've been craving white berries for like ever. And look how big the portions are. So the meatballs look nice and chunky, so let's get stuck in. Definitely. Lovely, thank you. So yeah, big portion. I love the white bread. That's my favourite. The meatballs are nice and chunky. They taste quite nice as before. And the potatoes are nice. I think they could do with a little bit more seasoning. So I added a little salt myself. But the white bread is definitely my favourite. The portions are big and it's good for a meal or for sharing. I mean, I'm going to have to take off the doggy bag. Look how much they gave me. Overall, very nice, very good.